Good morning classmates. So, continuation lang po ng report namin, instructional and process quality. Why do instructional process and qualities is important in leadership? So, sabi dyan, the relevance cannot be ignored for this government thinking any organization. Takes If a leader takes away the performance of the followers will be found and wanting and unsatisfactory, thereby producing an any positive welcome the result to the organization. So sabi dyan, the relevance cannot be ignored for this government thinking in any organization. So hindi pinapansin ng mga leadership yung mga kasamahan tulad ng mga pagbabago ng mga struktura or pagdidisiplina sa mga barangay. If a leader takes this away, the performance of the followers will be found and wanting and satisfactory, thereby not producing any positive and welcome result to the organization. So, bilang isang leader, so hindi siya or kulang sa pansin yung mga pagbibigay ng mga result organization, but the problem is some leaders are too aggressive in changing the way their subordinates, thinking that they never attempt to change the structure first in his or her, mga lalaki man o babae, our organization, order, discipline, and objectively will be attained. So next is mentoring. Mentoring, coaching, and empowerment. So if a leader will be patient, perceiving to mentor, coach, especially newly hired 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 personnel, then work will be facilitate. So bilang isang leader ay minomonitor ng isang company yung mga bagong mga tauhan para mapadali yung mga trabaho. So, but the issues lack of empowerment. So, dahil sa kakulangan ng energy, nawawalan sila ng lack of empowerment. Why is that the leaders found threatening to impart their wisdom to a less experienced follow a group? So, dahil sa mga leader ay natatakot ibahagi ang kanilang kalaman sa hindi gaanong nararanasan ng mga leaders. So, if a coaching or mentoring will be by adopted by a leader, so then the problems will be need clarification for their leaders will be great issues if they denied some enlightenment from their leaders. Therefore, as a good caring mentors, leader must give answer to lead followers and standard the set of the performance. So next is influence versus authority. Sabi dyan, according to Martin at 2010, leadership is not a man job. So sabi niya dyan is not a man job. So ang authority daw ay may kapangyarihan na daw ay magpasya or mamahala. Ito ay maaring manggaling sa mga individual or institution na batas. So Gaya na lamang ng mga pulis, may kakayahan silang ipatupad yung mga traffic sa kanilang mga desisyon. So, sabi niya, although a formalized position authority may greatly facilitates the leader's process, simplify occupying as a position not sufficient to make someone leader. Therefore, the leader is enjoyed cultivate influence, not authority. Perhaps curricula question what is the quality of the relationship with the followers recommendable for every leader reflect so that they can build a strong and relationship. So sabi niya dyan, leadership is not a one job. So bilang isang leader, kailangan ng teamwork or collaborating with something productive. So hence the leader of this Calversi create team. So magkikreate sila ng bagong teams which both the needs of individual. So kailangan nilang mag-create ng teams pero individual outputs become integrated. So although the formalized position of authority may greatly facilitate the leadership process, simplify occupying such as position not sufficient to make someone leaders. So, pinoformalize ng mga isang posisyon ng authority leaders ay may proseso ang isang leadership pero is not sufficient to make someone leader. So therefore the leader is enjoy to cultivate someone leader. Cultivate influence is not authority. Perhaps the curricula question, what is the quality of my relation and followers? So recommendable for the leader is reflect so that they can build a strong and relationship with the followers. So ang relationship ng quality of followers, so nire-recommendable ng mga leaders or para ma-reflect yung mga build strong relationship with the followers. So yun lang po, ma'am.